Mm.
Masin, what are you doing? Huh, Masin? Can you tell us what you're doing? Masin, are you going to show us how to roll over? Huh, Masin? Hey. Masin. Huh? Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. It's okay. Masin. 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 Hey. Hey, Masin. Yeah. Show us how to roll over. Aww. Smile! Smile! Oh, Masin's tired? Masin, are you tired? Yeah? Huh? Oh. Okay. Come on, you can roll over. Masin knows how to roll over now. Huh? No. Ellie, do you want to help him roll over? Yeah, just like...
Okay.
Show him a little bit, yeah.
There we go.
Like put his arms in the front. And yeah, and just push him over now. There you go. Come on, go, go. Go, be careful, be careful.
He doesn't want to go.
No, he does. Just now go. Now do it.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
No, he still doesn't want to though.
Whoa. Masin, what happened? What happened?
Huh?
Okay. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?